To the Church, His Excellency the President and all protocols observed, good morning. Mine is first of all to introduce my cabinet colleagues who are here. Please stand. Moses Kuria, CS Public Service and Performance Management. My brother Ezekiel Machogu, CS Education. My sister Susan Nahumicha, CS Health. My brother Davis Chirchir, CS Energy. And my brother Mvuria, CS Blue Economy. Anybody have forgotten? I think that's all. Once more, Your Excellency, may I take this opportunity to thank you most sincerely for once more paying a visit to the people of Uriri. We were here a few months ago, and again, you have come back to pray with the people of Uriri. In this region, Your Excellency of Nyanza, I've said many a time in the recent past, and I want to repeat, that moving forward, we are going to work with your government in the foreseeable future. We want to change the paradigm in this region, from politics of rhetoric, politics of tribe, to politics of inclusivity, politics of development. We are aware, Your Excellency, that you have said that time for politics is over. We are going to be part and parcel of your government moving forward. We want to be part of the re-election of your government in 2027. And as a people, we are not going to wait for you to form the government, then we wait to join. We will form the next government with you, Your Excellency. I want to pray for the people of this region, appeal for peace, and appeal for everybody in this region to work together with the government as we move forward. May God bless you.
Aliye na macho, aliye na macho, aliye na masikio, munaona muoni, munasikia musikii. Your Excellency, I just want to go through a few things.